How to fix Instagram message request problem. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Instagram message request problem. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram application on your device. Sign in to your particular account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down. Locate the Message and Story Replies option. Select Message Controls at top of the screen. Now, under Who can send you message request, select Others on Instagram and tap Message Request. Make sure that this Deliver Request to Message Request is turned on. If this is set to Don't Receive Request, then it might create the issue of Instagram message request problem. The next step you need to follow is simply make sure your app is up to date. To check that, open Play Store or App Store. Tap search icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap search bar at top of the screen and then search Instagram app. If there is update button next to Instagram, tap update button and then make sure to update your app to the latest version. Once you are done with updating your app, you need to check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If not, go to the app info page of Instagram. For that, tap and hold Instagram and the eye icon next to it. Select Stories Users at bottom of the screen. Now tap Clear Cache icon. Come back to the app info page of Instagram and then tap Force Stop to force stop the application. Once you have done that, lastly restart your device. Hold on the power button on your device and then simply choose Restart by sliding towards Restart. Once you follow all this step, you'll resolve the Instagram message request problem. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button. Subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.